What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And there were a lot of rumors. We have seen headlines of the Galaxy S22 Ultra and its first looks because it's one of the phone which is one of the most awaited smartphone because of the Galaxy Note series and the S Pen. Now we can't say the same about the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus because we have not seen of its rumors and renders yet. Well, that's not the case anymore. The Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus are the more similar towards the iPhone 13 series but with a flat display and without a notch. Now, which all overall comes with the because of possible made by the Let's Go Digital, and they have created a renders about these smartphones and they looks really beautiful smartphones and they are much of a more refined version towards the Galaxy S21. Now from these renders, what is known that this smartphone will be coming with the flat display and with the punch hole on the top of it. Not only that, this time the bottom chin bezels will be gone and there will be more specified all of the same bezels all alongside of the all sides of the smartphone, which will really sets apart this S22 and the S22 Plus from the other smartphones in the market. Well, which is really a very good upgrade. Now, unlike the S22 Ultra, this won't be getting a dramatic upgrade on the backside and it will be a more refined version of the Galaxy S21 smartphones, whereas the S22 Ultra will be completely a new phone. Now, the rumors also comes that the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the overall S22 lineup launch is being postponed, and this time the smartphone will be launching in the second week of February as the earlier rumors. Now, in the January, what will be coming is the Galaxy S21 FE, which we were waiting for a very long time now. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S21 FE delay and the new looks of the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and vote it in the community poll. Now, if you enjoyed this video, then also give this video a thumbs up, thumbs down based on your opinion. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.